It never ceases to amaze me that just putting one bead, then adding another bead and another one, slowly always builds up to these masterpieces. Hi everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. Today's creation is based on the beautiful Kenyan colors and can serve as a phone stand like this. It can serve as a business card holder as you've seen before, a remote stand, and you can basically also share with us what you will use this stand for. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, make sure you've tapped the like button, and also share with us the comments. And let's dive into today's lesson. We start with the materials required are the diamond beads and also the 0.80 millimeters fishing line. So you pour your beads and then you cut your fishing line to approximately 20 inches length, and then you begin by putting 4 black bead like this, and then you crisscross on the last 4th diamond bead like this. If it's your first time to come across this kind of tutorials, you can check on our playlist. We have numerous tutorials that I have done before where we do this type of pattern, so kindly check it out. So that if you're a beginner, I strongly advise you to check our previous videos so that you can be able to learn and catch up and also learn the basic pattern that we are doing here, so that when you come here and watch, you can be able to follow and understand fully. So as you can see, we're making progress. We start with the black side. Black is one significant color on the Kenyan flag. Kindly let us know, what does the black color mean on the Kenyan flag down on the comment section below, and also you can let us know the other colors if you know, so that it can help the other people. So as you can see, we're making progress. I really love the simple fact that something that you do with your own hands like this and the final end product is something that always makes your heart warmer and makes you feel happy, and it's something that's done by heart. You love what you have at the end of the day. Once you do something by hand, you enjoy the process. You also kind of understand how much it takes to do this kind of art. And also, I love the fact that these products are things that you genuinely know that they can stand the test of time. It's something that won't spoil on you tomorrow. They're like the one I'm making here, it's something that can't break. I basically don't know what could destroy this stand. So this is something that if you can't make, I'd highly recommend that you order yours. You can check down on the description below. We have our contact details where you can place your order through, and also if you can be able to make it, if you can be able to get the materials, I'd really love to see your end product. Thank you all for those of you who have been sharing with me your end products. I have shared them on this channel's community tab. You can go there and see what other previous students have done. I'm really proud of you guys. Some of you have been able to start a side hustle and earn some extra money just by the tutorials that you've been seeing on this channel. I'm really happy for you. And also, if you've been able to make something out of our tutorials, kindly share with us. Let us know so that it may inspire someone else out there. Across all our social media platforms, the name is Tyke Arts and Landscaping on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and here on YouTube. That's where you can find me. So kindly type in style cuts and landscaping. That's our username. As you can see, we're making good progress. Just make sure that with each step you get it right. And I repeat again, this is not a beginner tutorial. This is for someone who is already used to making our bracelets, someone who has some expertise when it comes to the beading that we have been doing. So if this is your first time here and you really want to try this out, kindly check our previous videos. We have a whole playlist on beading tutorials. Kindly check that out. You can learn about beading first and then come and watch this one and you'll understand it better. Also, if the speed you find is very fast, you can also slow it down on the settings. On the YouTube settings, there is a tab where you can get the speed, so you can reduce it to the speed that you're comfortable with. A special and huge thanks goes to all of you who have been helping us with your feedback. It's really encouraging. We are really happy for everything that you're telling us on the comment section down below. There is a lot of positive criticism and a lot of encouragement, and keep them coming, because that sometimes it's what gives us strength to keep on making these videos. As you can see, I've folded the art piece and now I'm making the base of this stand. That corner there I'm trying to build a wall, and this is the same technique that I used while making a beaded ring. You can also check that out on our playlist or on the description down below. I'll leave a link to the making of a ring. So this is basically the same pattern, but now as you can see here, I've finished making the base to some extent, so you keep on repeating the same pattern, but now you'll be more keen, and also the width of this base will be of the width will be of 5 heads, which will make the stand more stable. So this is what I'm calling the width. Here it's of 3 heads, so I'm yet to finish up and add the 2 extra heads there. And also this base, as you can see, is going to be fully color green to represent the base of the Kenyan colors on the Kenyan flag. Among the many reasons why I do these beading tutorials is to popularize this form of art among many people and create attention towards bead art as a form of art that the new generation embraces and practices. This, I believe, is an important topic, and society should also see and appreciate more handmade products like this and help spread out this conversation to many people. Here I'm going to put a triangular support system. We're using the green colors, and then go all the way around till here, and also put another triangular shape here like this, what I'm making, so that the stand can be able to support itself and also support the weight of the phone or whatever it is that you're going to be using it for. One of the very best ways you can help me get this content and this message of beading out to more people is by simply tapping the like button, because that tells the YouTube algorithm that this is a nice video and it helps go to more people who love art. And by the end of the day, I'm quite sure that more and more people are going to get into beading, and we are going to save and help the next generation see beading, because this is something that has been there in our African traditions. It's been part of our African culture, and it's something that should be passed down to the next generation. So kindly help us get that by tapping the like button. And also, if you know people who love art, or someone who you know has a creative brain, you can simply share with them these videos. You never know, they may surprise you with something that they have done from this channel or even another channel. As long as it's something that is artistic, kindly share it. Let's spread this art message to more and more people. As you can see, I'm almost finishing up. I'm just doing the final touches. This is something that I know if you watch it very keenly or several times, you can be able to get the flow of it, how it's going, because I did this over a period of more than 4 hours. So if I would have put this in a slow video, it would probably end up boring you, and that's not what I want here. So you'll forgive me for doing it on the fast pace that you're seeing right now. But at the end of the day, if you know this pattern that you're making here, you can be able to replicate this by yourself. And also, this theme is not restricted to only these colors that I'm using. You can come up with something creative. I once did one with an emoji. You can come up with the favorite colors that you like. So let's snap, and there you have it. We've finished this part, and our Kenyan stand is almost done. What we're left with is just cutting off the fishing line. But as you can see, this thing is really beautiful, and I wish you could see this in person. But if you're able to make it, you'll attest with me that the final product always looks better than what the camera shows. Guys, if you could see this in real life, this is really impressive. The colors just glitter, and I really hope that you could take upon this challenge and try out making, even if it's a simple bracelet by yourself. Get some beads, try it out, and you'll love it. So as you can see, this thing is practically indestructible. I can hit it, fold it like this, and in some seconds it will get back to shape. Let us know in the comment section down below, what do you think about this stand, and let's try out these business cards. As you can see, we're shuffling them, and once you put them in the stand, they fit in perfectly. And better still, you can still put your phone and watch your amazing content while you're on your desk, and catch up with our tutorials. Kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so that every time we upload something, you'll be fast to know. And I really thank you for keeping it here until now, and see you on the next video.